Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about variables in Python. In this tutorial, I'm going to use an integrated development environment or IDE, which is Tony. Before we start, please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and hit the like and notification bell. Let's begin. When you type a equals 5 and then print a and then run it, you will get 5 in the output. In these lines of code, a is the variable, also known as name in Python, and 5 is the value assigned to it. This is called an assignment statement. A variable is created when you first assign it a value in your code. The value assigned to a variable can be an integer, float, string, or Boolean data type. There are some rules and guidelines that we need to observe when naming variables in Python. Not observing some of these guidelines will cause errors, while some are just there to make your code easier to understand. Here are some rules and guidelines in naming variables. Number 1. Variable names can only contain letters, numbers, and underscores, but cannot start with a number. For example, type variable underscore 1 equals 5. Print variable underscore 1. Run it and you will get 5 in the output. Change the variable name to 1 underscore variable, then run it again. You will get a syntax error. Let's change it back to variable underscore 1. Rule number 2. Spaces are not allowed to separate words in variable names. Underscores must be used instead. For example, type first underscore name equals John Smith. Print first underscore name. Then run it, you will get John Smith in the output. Change the variable name to first space name, then run it again. You will get a syntax error. Rule number 3. Do not use Python keywords or function names as a variable name. Example of a Python keyword is return. If you type return equals Jane Smith, print return, run it and you will get a syntax error. Change it to name and run it again to get the output Jane Smith. For a complete list of Python keywords, you may visit this link. Rule number 4. Variable name should be as short as possible, but descriptive. For example, type first underscore name equals John. Print first underscore name and run it. You will get John. Then type fn equals John. Print fn and run it. You will also get John. Both are valid variable names, but using only fn does not clearly describe the value assigned to the variable. In Python, you can reassign a value to a variable, and the variable will take the last value assigned to it. For example, type a equals 2, b equals 3, print a plus b. Run it and you will get 5 in the output. Now, type a equals 5 before the print statement. Run it again and you will get 8. In this instance, a takes the latest value assigned to it, which is 5. Now type b equals 10 before the print statement and run it again. This time, you will get 15 because b takes the latest value assigned to it, which is 10. Type the following lines of code. X equals 5, y equals x, print x, print y. Here, the first line creates the variable x and assigns the value 5. The second line creates the variable y, and then the variable x is used but not assigned to y. When you run the program, you will get 5 for both x and y. This is called shared references. Now, if we assign a new value to x, let's say the string hello before the print statements. In this case, y will still get the initial value assigned to x, which is 5, and then x will get the latest value assigned to it, which is the string hello. And that's it for today's video. If you like it, please share and don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much and God bless.